Howdy folks, it's Handsome, and today we are going to be messing with the pirate camera, the Canon EOS R. No, not good. Okay, well, let's just get straight into it. Got a camera in the other day, thought, hey, this is perfect to show my friends on YouTube. Good old bad LCD. I know everybody thinks they can do LCDs, and I do think everybody can. I just want to show you, something with maybe your secondary, third camera, and you're like, you know what? I can buy it off Temu or AliExpress for 75 cents, Billy. Why can't I do it? Well, Cheryl, there are professionals that do this, and you're not a professional. Shut up, Billy. All right. So first and foremost, we're gonna forget about the little skit I just did, and just to show you a little diagnostic. I have not gone in this camera. I acquired a part from the EOS R junkyard that I have. This camera's been out for a while now, and if I'm not mistaken, was this the first mirrorless full frame? Was it the RP? I don't know. Either or, but this is a perfect condition, working. Notice the flex cable is very, very old school, but new school. Soldered, yeah. Keep that in mind when you are taking this apart. If you don't go any further, please. All right, so let's turn her on. All right, we can see she's on. Okay, all right, and we have no screen, absolutely no screen. If I could show you, it is illuminated. You can see that it is illuminated, but nothing at all. On top of this, I cannot get the viewfinder to switch. Hopefully it is just set to the screen. Maybe this person is against their religion to look through the viewfinder. I don't know. I know shooters like that. Bless your heart. But yeah, so we are going to go in and see. Hopefully it is just the screen. If it is not, then we will be going in the junkyard, and I'll bust out a couple of boxes of EOS R parts. Tools of the day. Good old cross point. You ain't seen the video, go watch it. You know what I mean? Don't be using them Phillips, them screwdrivers you get from Walmart or Lowe's or Ollie's or Harbor Freight. What's the other one? Tractor Supply. Any of y'all can sponsor me, just saying. After that, it is going to be curved tweezers and good old straight. Gotta stay straight, baby. So let's get started. I'm gonna use the skinny one for the beginning. So we're gonna go ahead and hit this young viewfinder, young VF LOL. All right, inner dad showing. How many times can I get fired by myself? We're gonna go ahead and stick around the viewfinder. Aight. Notice that the diopter is on the other side than the R. I've done the R6. I don't know if I've done an R5 video. Been battling this one R5 to make a video for y'all for over a month. It only throws the code when I'm not recording, which is kind of funny. All right, got them 4 out. Oh, look. Nothing. Genius. We're going to hit this. You can try to take this back panel off without. We're going to go right up in this corner. You're going to go under, lift that leatherette up. And you're going to have a screw here, and I believe you're going to have a screw up here, if I'm not mistaken. But you still have some in here as well. Right there. I don't think there's one up here. Always check. Let's go ahead and get this leatherette up here. Going up in that corner real quick. And you see how I get up in there? Just like that, Billy. Boom, it was right there. Winning. Alright. We're gonna get that screw right there, boy. Gonna get that bottom piece right there. Alrighty. Gotcha. Notice the silver ones are under the leatherette and the black ones are visible, or they're under the port covers. Port Covers is the name of my band. We cover all ports. All right, fired again. So we take that off and check out what we got right here. We got a little bitty. Ooh, look, and it's actually loose as well. It's probably from some form of impact that created. That is a weird bulge, bro. Put your bulge up. Pause. And yeah, don't forget to take your battery out before you start messing with flex cables. It's okay. I've been fired before. We're gonna go. We went to the left. I'm gonna throw them right there. And then we're gonna get this. Alright, you saw how I went under there? Like a what's it called? A dentist. Getting the whatever it's called, plaque. There you go. Dang, this has been usually way easier than this. This one has been through some heat. Jeez, Manetti. Alright. Get these 5 screws. No, I'm gonna say 4. I don't ever remember taking off that other screw right there, so I'm just gonna do 4. I do remember a screw being here, but maybe that doesn't need to come out. I don't know. Let's see. We're gonna try to force feed. It looks like it's kind of sticking right there, to be honest with you. Yep. You're not smarter than the average bear. I'll tell you that. You got a little screw right now. See the little black screw right there? I don't know, man. Oh my gosh. Alright, so let's see what okay, the viewfinder's already done came out on me now. Ooh, that did not sound pleasant at all. Look at that viewfinder. While we're in here, this is a little strange, but I think we all are at the end of the day. This is my favorite flex cable. I want to get this tattooed on me. You can see right here. is so cool. It looks like a hieroglyphic. It's like, you know, can y'all see that? Right here, right here, right here. My favorite of all time. Like, Canon, you won me over with that, you know? It's I love it. Love it so much, Billy. Let's check out this flex cable. Looks delish to me. Well, we're gonna do that right here. I'm gonna set this right over yonder, okay? So this is the good one. You shouldn't have to mark it because it does not have a bulge like your boy right here. So easiest thing to do is to just replace the whole cabinet and everything. And I'm just being honest with you. Now, don't get me wrong. You could order the back panel, the board, because this did illuminate. You may be able to save this. Maybe it's just the board. Hey, more power to you. I'm trying to get in, get out, make some money, go to the next camera, make more money, you know? And it is actually cheaper to buy this part this way instead of going down all throughout the list and ordering everything separate. Let's go ahead and we're going to take this flex cable off right here. You're going to lift up that latch. You're just going to pull it out. It's not that hard. If you have kids, you can relate. So I'm going to remove that tape. Might use it, might not. Don't really matter, Billy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. Now remember the orientation, okay? Okay, okay, okay. Now, there are these flex cables that are connected. You need to be careful after taking these two screws out. Ooh, she up in there. So the impact definitely messed with the housing of this screw. Sometimes you just need to go slow because it is very easy to strip. Let's take these. Right. See, that's facing up. This thing right here. The brother right here. Shake it fast. Alright, come on. We're going to lift up. We're going to remove that. We're going to pull this up. Now check out that orientation. Alright. We're going to get you right here. Right there. Okay. You can still see me, huh? See me rolling. Alright, I'm fired. Again. Okie dokie. You're supposed to just let them lift up out there, boy. So you're going to move this over. Lift out. Remove the bulge. Put the non-bulge in. Not that. Of course, I make it look easy. This one actually is not that bad. So, gonna get that right there. Make sure she ain't that wiggly. Ooh. Now, remember, you're gonna set this up with the arms up. Boom. Long screws go there. Yep. I'll teach y'all that in a video. No, I'm playing. You can definitely do that without a video. If you want a video, you can comment. I can make some funny skits with it. If they're even funny. I don't know. Alright, so we assembled that. And I like. Now we are going to reinsert the new flex, and it should just sit in and yeagle. Ooh. All right, so we have reassembled that. We got the new one. If you want, you can put the tape on there. Definitely, if you have OCD, put the tape on there or you will not be able to sleep. I don't think that's really going to help anything because she's sitting up in there. I did leave this viewfinder undone. Now, the one thing I am really hoping for is this port isn't damaged or this port isn't damaged from the impact. But assuming from the bulge, this took all the damage right here. But it's crazy because the hinge, man, the FX3 needs this hinge. Jeez, I've been doing so many of those freaking hinges on the FX3. It's insane. Maybe I should probably do a video on that, to be honest. This is my favorite type of flex connector. The ones you just set up in there and push down. Alright, so you're going to line it up. With a little bit of luck. And a tad bit of skill. You can hear it set in. On this one, make sure you go both sides. Alright, we're going to set this in. We're going to grab the battery that we took out before removing the back panel. Now, you pray to the camera gods and... Oh, Billy, you're so good, Billy. I told you, Charlene. So now we are going to check shooting, viewfinder, display, performance, display setting, display control, auto. Oh, it works. Alright, I'm fired. So yeah, touchscreen works. Jeez, man, this is awesome. It took Sony freaking 4-5 generations of cameras to get touchscreen on their mirrorless. Go ahead and put that back together. Gonna turn her off. Gonna remove this battery just because it's an electronic. That's what we do. Alright, just get used to it. Alrighty. Got that together right there. Now we're gonna reassemble. We're gonna go ahead and start where we stopped, which is gonna be under this leatherette because it's loose. And we're gonna put these 4 screws back. Boom, shakalaka. Just got a couple of flex cables to remove and put back in, and that's it. Not that bad. Put this little boy back in there real quick, and we did learn that does need to come out. I mean, you could force it if you want to, and then put a little silly comment. Well, I did it with that right there, like that. It don't do nothing, not yet, but it will definitely rip off some good old camera parts. All right. Before you put this back on, remember, you got that Wesley Snipes right there. Shout out to Wesley coming out for the Wolverine and Deadpool. That was funny. Out of all the Marvel characters, who would be the best camera repair tech? I say definitely Professor X. And Magneto would be probably the best at it. I'd like to see what's his name of the X-Men, the Beast. He's got a brain, so you know us camera people have to have brains, right? Not entirely true. All right, we're gonna put all that leatherette back. All right. Man, y'all like that beat? My homie sampled it. I'll sell it to you. Well, that was fun. It was a nice little quickie. Get your little fix in before work or something, you know? I don't know. But yeah, I do appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, whatever, all that stuff. And I really do appreciate it. Throw some comments in there. I don't know. Do what you please with the knowledge that I have given you. But mainly stay positive, stay focused, and peace.